Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all today? I hope you are happy and ready to learn something new. Today, we are going to start a very interesting lesson called Living Together. Living together means you live with others happily at same place like a home, school, community. In a class, you have your class fellows and friends. You share your things with them, you celebrate your birthdays with them. When we live together, we care for each other, share things, follow rules, and help one another. Dear students, let me ask you a question. Do you live alone? No, we all live with our family members like our parents, brothers, sisters, and grandparents. We love spending time talking and playing with friends and family. Rules help us live together and stay safe. There are some rules that help us live together happily. When we live together, we share things with each other. For example, in home, our parents share food with us. In the same way, in school, if someone do not have a pencil, lunch, eraser, or anything else, we share our things with them. If many people want to use the same thing, they take turns. One uses it first, then the next, and so on. A queue is a line of people waiting. If we want to buy a ticket from a ticket counter, what would you do? Will you just push other away? No, you will wait for your turn. Now students, how will you feel when you are alone? You may feel sad or lonely. If someone is unkind with you, it can make you feel upset. When you are having fun or doing good things, you will feel happy. Now there is a story of two friends, Ali and Kashif. Kashif had a book and Ali wanted to read it too. So they tried to, they pulled the book and it tore. Kashif was angry. Do you think that Ali should be angry too? What do you think should Ali feel? He should be sorry or he should feel angry? Now students, do you know what are religious festivals? These are the special days when people celebrate their religion with happiness, prayers, and do special and perform special activities. Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr. They say Eid prayer, greet Eid, wear new clothes, and children get their Eid from elders. How do you celebrate your Eid? And how are you planning to celebrate your Eid? Muslims also celebrate Eid al-Adha and it is celebrated on 10th of Zilhajj. And Eid Miladun-Nabi is celebrated on the 12th Rabiul Awwal that marked the birth of our holy prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. People of other religion also celebrate their festivals. Like Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December, Hindus celebrate their religious festivals that are Holi and Diwali, and Sikh celebrate Baisakhi, while the Parsis celebrate Nowruz. Now, students, there are four questions at the end of this lesson. You have to write the answers of these questions on your notebook. Do write classwork or homework day and date, lesson name, and write the answers to these questions. First question is, how do rules help us? The answer is, the rules help us live together happily. Number two, do you have lots of friends? You have to answer it yourself. The answer is yes, I have lot of friends, but try to write this answer on your own. Question number three is, do you ever feel lonely? When? What can you do if you feel lonely? Answer is yes. When I'm away from my family, I can watch TV. You can also write, what can you do? You can also write, I can read a book, I can play with my toys. Question number 4 is, what should Kashif and Ali have done instead of arguing? The answer is, they should have read the book by taking turns. Dear students, your homework is you have to learn these question answers, and you have to do the writing practice of these questions on your rough notebooks.